Cool. Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Precious. It's your favorite cook, Precious. I hope you enjoyed the recipe I'm about to share with you. Guys, today's recipe is stir-fried spaghetti. This is under the Precious recipe segment on this channel. So this is my recipe. Let's get into the video. So these are all the ingredients I'll be using for my stir-fry spaghetti. So first of all, you'll be needing seasoning. This is a mixture of different seasoning. You can check my 400 calories video to know what is in my seasoning. Then we have chopped carrot, we have green beans, we have green bell pepper, red bell pepper, we have onions, we have a mixture of ginger, garlic, turmeric, and pepper. Then we have our beef and we have our chicken. And we have our fish. This is called Titus fish. Now we're going to get a pot and then we're going to add some water. You're not going to wait for the water to boil, you're just going to add the beef straight away. So now I'm just adding my water in the pot, not too much. I'm just adding very little because it's the beef I'm boiling. I don't like to use so much water while I'm cooking beef. I don't know why. I just don't like to. So when you're done adding your beef into the water, you add the mixture I showed you earlier of ginger, turmeric, pepper, and garlic, and then you add some seasoning. Depending on the seasonings you have at home, just add the quantity that you think is enough. So after adding all the seasonings I wanted to use for my beef, I'll just cover the pot and let the beef cook for a few minutes. Like, let's say it was up to 30 minutes. After stirring it, by the way, you stir it up and then you just cover it to cook for like 30 minutes. I like my beef very soft, and I think that's how every human being likes their beef. So 30 minutes should be fine. So I forgot to add my onions, so I just opened the pot and I added the onions. So don't forget to add your onions, don't be like me. So now, after the beef had boiled for 30 minutes, I decided to add my fish and my chicken, leaving the beef in the pot. Don't take out your beef because it's not yet cooked. 30 minutes is still going to be very strong and it's still not cooked. To me, and to every other human being out there. So I just added my fish and my chicken, and now I would allow it to cook for another 30 to 45 minutes. So between 30 to 45 minutes. So after 45 minutes, this is how my pot looked like. And this is also a good way to get stock for cooking soup and the rest. As you can see, that's my stock water. And I'm going to turn in my spaghetti, that's my parboiled spaghetti, into the stock water and add a bit of water. And yeah, so you just give it a good stir after adding a bit of water, and it should look like this after boiling for, let's say, I think it was up to 20 minutes. So it should look like this. It was yum, guys. It was so good. Then I'm just going to add some oil. That's a lot of oil, but you could use less and not be like me. And then I use the same pots, by the way, because I can, and I wanted the flavor, to be fair. And then I just added my onions into the pot with my beef, chopped beef, and chicken. I removed the chicken later on, by the way. So yeah, that was just some chicken. I just wanted the flavor in the oil for the vegetables. It's just a thing. When you fry beef in oil, it gives you one nice flavor. You should try it and you can get back to me. So because of the flavor, I fried my beef and my chicken so I could get the flavor, and then I just removed them into a plate. Because we don't fry chicken in our house. Either we use air fry or we put it in the oven. And then I just added some more seasoning and some more onions. And now you're just going to be adding your vegetables. That's my green bell pepper, then my red bell pepper, yep, and then my carrots. No, my green beans, sorry, and then my carrots. I'm sure I added my carrots at this point. Yes, my carrots. Yay! And give it a good stir. Make sure you stir everything so that they could also have the flavor, and it should look like this. So they could get that beef flavor, the seasoning, everything. You need it in your vegetables as well. Then you add your spaghetti. I lost the clip where I added my spaghetti. Or I didn't even take a clip at all. But it should look like that. And guys, it was yummy, yummy, yummy. Quick and easy. Quick and easy. Don't forget to try out the recipe, guys. I'm so happy I could share this with you guys. Like this video, share the video, and don't forget to comment down below if you tried out the recipe. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell. Bye guys, till next time.